What is the benefit of learning how to code? It opens up a whole new world. Knowing how to code allows you to be independent and creative. Want to create a website? By knowing how to code, you can do that yourself without having to rely on a third party such as WordPress or Squarespace. Want to create an online shop? By having a working understanding of code, you can do this yourself for free without having to pay for fancy Shopify templates. It's like art. You have an idea in your head and you can turn it into something tangible. But unlike the universal language of art, coding is restricted by language barriers. As many of the early programmers were American, the majority of coding resources, both online and taught in universities across the world, are in English. This leaves non-English speakers left behind. In a society where IT skills are becoming more and more in demand, we can't afford to leave talent behind just because they aren't fluent in English. And that is where Techie Tessie comes in. We create programming tutorials in English, Spanish, and Hindi, with more languages to come in the near future. Currently, our main platform is YouTube, but with your investment, we'll be able to expand. By investing in social media ads and community outreach, we will be able to reach our target audience, which includes university students and women in STEM. Reaching out to these groups and letting them know that there is a way to learn how to code, despite not being fluent in English, is how we, together, can open up a whole new world. Thank you.